And there you go, guys. Here we go. Here it is. Another Alan Tornado Siren test video. After like 10 months because I was in school. But anyways, here it is, guys. Here was another Tornado Siren test video. And by the way, that frequency radio that you were hearing at the beginning, where you heard those like buzzing sounds, that was a radio that it's because I invited a friend over to the siren test here, and so that radio that you heard actually belongs to him. It's not mine because I don't have a radio like that. But yeah, it's actually his because I invited a friend, so it is his radio. It's not mine. It's because I don't have a frequency radio like that. But anyways, here's the siren, guys. As you can see, there it is. Sorry about the shadow because of the sun. But anyways, there it is, guys. There's the siren right there. And thank you for watching, guys. See you guys.